In this recording, we will go through how to add an invoice into Xero and how to scan the invoice into Xero as well. So once you log into Xero, you'll reach your profile homepage. Click on New Bill. We'll be using the Henry Schein invoice as an example. That's that the image is attached on the Google page about receiving stock. Enter in the supplier. Most suppliers have been entered in already, but if there is a new one, just add a new contact. Date of the invoice. Due date, generally not on the invoice, but make it the end of the month the invoice is in. The reference is the invoice number, so get that from the invoice. Then to attach the file, so you've got that scanned into the system through the scanner, and upload the downloaded file. I'll just choose this invoice as an example. It's not the right one, but that invoice will be named also as we've shown on the procedures sheet. For the description, just put in a general description. It doesn't have to be all the lines because we'll be attaching the invoice here. So this one, there's also a freight line, but I'm not going to separate those. So I'll just do a general description. If you've got multiple lines on the invoice, you can just write dental supplies here. That's fine. So the unit price is going to be the tax inclusive figure, and the account is in dental supplies, which will show that it's a GST on expenses. So make sure at the end that the total of the invoice matches and that the GST component's correct as well. As I said, if you've got multiple lines here, no need to write each one with a description. Just a very brief description is fine. So that's scanned in. Submit for approval. And that's it.